There was a time when GCash was just another payments app, a tool for sending and spending money with convenience. Today, that image is obsolete. Mynt, the parent company behind GCash, is now posting profits that surpass some of the Philippines' established banks, Union Bank, Security Bank, and RCBC, and stands nearly shoulder to shoulder with giants like PNB and China Bank. Picture this. In the first quarter of 2026, Mynt earned 5.6 billion pesos in net income on 20.9 billion pesos in revenue. That is not just a headline, it's a seismic shift. By comparison, Union Bank posted 3.8 billion pesos, Security Bank and RCBC, both at 2.7 billion pesos each. Only PNB and China Bank stayed ahead, and even then, only by the narrowest of margins. For a fintech that began life as a digital wallet, Mynt has crossed into rare territory. Traditional banks have always depended on deposits, loans, and branches to generate earnings. Mynt begins somewhere else. It starts with moments. Every payment, every transfer, every bill, every quick interaction inside the GCash app. What once looked like low-margin business has become something powerful. Frequency of use creates habit. Habits become trust. Trust unlocks more sophisticated financial services, credit, insurance, investments, all within the same app. Mynt didn't just copy the bank, it unbundled it. It rebuilt core functions and layered them around the daily digital behaviors of millions. The result? A platform that is open all day, every day, serving needs in real time. With lending products like GCredit, GLoan, and GGives built into its wallet, Mynt can reach, underwrite, and serve at a scale and speed that has never been seen in Philippine finance. The market has noticed. Strategic investments from Ayala and MUFG have pushed Mynt's valuation to $5 billion. Annualizing current profits, Mynt is on track for 22 to 23 billion pesos in earnings, turning what was once a growth story into a compelling profit reality. For Globe Telecom, the shift is already profound. Mynt now generates 30% of its pre-tax income. But there's a deeper lesson. Banking is no longer about where you keep your money. It's about where you spend your attention. Branch networks signal scale, but Mynt owns something even more valuable: the customer's daily habit. Millions no longer just visit their bank. They live inside the GCash ecosystem, transacting in short, frequent bursts across payments, loans, savings, and investments. As Mynt eclipses earnings of long-standing banks, Philippine finance faces a new era. The front door to financial services is no longer a branch, it's an app. The critical question is, who controls that door in the years ahead, and what happens when trust, data, and access all reside in your pocket?